Hello everybody, welcome again. I'm very happy to see you in this next term. Let's start with Unit 7. The title of the unit is The Word of Work. Our lesson for today is language. A. Questions with who or what, and then we'll discuss B. Tag questions. Okay? This lesson prepared by me, teacher Farhuda Firwana from Khan Yunis Secondary School. Welcome again and let's start. Okay? We have here these examples. Read the following examples. My sister phoned her friend last night. If we want to make a question for the answer my sister, the question will be with who. So the question will be who phoned her friend last night? Who phoned her friend last night? What we noticed here, after the question word who, we followed this question word by phoned in the same tense. We don't change the tense here for phone. It is wrong to say who phone or who does phone. It's wrong. The question is who phoned her friend last night. So if we want to ask a question about the answer her friend, about the object her friend, my sister was a subject. So if we want to ask a question about the object her friend, the question will be as here in B, who did my sister phone last night? Okay, the answer will be her friend. Who did my sister phone last night? Okay, that's about who. But what about a cat? A cat, not person. Please notice here the sentence. The little cat drinks milk every day. And we want to make a question using the question word what. For the answer, the little cat. For the subject, the question will be, look here. What drinks milk every day? What drinks milk every day? The answer will be, as you know, the little cat. The little cat drinks milk every day. But if we want to ask a question about the object milk in the sentence, what does the little cat drink every day? What you notice about asking question for object? Okay, in the first example, we use the helping verb did because the verb here in the second conjugation or in the past. And so, after who, we should use some form of do verb, did or does. Did for the verb in the second conjugation and does for the present simple. What does the little cat drink every day? The answer will be milk. The answer will be milk. So what kind of rule can we elicit here? Let's see together. Questions can be formed by using who for persons and what for things. And look, we use who or what in the normal sentence order, subject plus verb, when they refer to the subject, as in example A, with my sister or the cat, as you saw. And we use who or what in the question order with the help of doing do verb, do, does or did, plus the subject, plus they refer to infinitive verb when the object, when we ask about the object, as in example B. You have here an activity. You can write it in your notebook. Make questions using what or who. The first sentence, the storm destroyed many houses. So please make a question using the word, the word or the question word what. The first question will be for the stone. We will ask about the subject. And the second one is for many houses, the object in the sentence. A second sentence here, B, the teacher explained the lesson twice. The answer or the question needed here, number one with who and number two with what. You can answer this question and show them to your teacher. The teacher can check the answer with you. This was for questions with who and what. And let's now discuss together tag a question. They are not new, as you know. Tag questions may be taken before in other grades, not only in 12th grade. Tag questions. They are a kind of questions we use to be sure of our doubts. So when we ask a question or tag a question, it means that we want to be sure about something we know. Yeah. Or sometimes they reflect our feelings of anger or being annoyed. It reflects our feelings, as we will see here. Examples. They aren't sure about it. Are they? Yeah, we call here are they tag a question. We ask about something, we have doubts about it. They aren't sure about it. Are they? What you noticed here? Yeah, good. When the verb is negative, the question tag or the tag question is positive. Aren't, they aren't became are they. Let's see another one. You won't forget the number. Will you? You won't forget the number. Won't forget. It became will you. Won't well. Yeah, good. The verb is negative, became positive. Number 3, she lived in New Town. Didn't she? Didn't she? Okay, with the modal verb as in example 2 or verb to be as in example 1, we use them in the tag question, but we make the negative or the positive. But when we have ordinary verbs in the sentence, such as here the verb lived, okay, we should or we must use the helping verb did here, and then make negative of didn't she, because we have ordinary verb lived in the second conjugation. Okay, the letter hasn't arrived yet. Has it? Has it? Hasn't? Has it? Okay. The next, number 5. It cannot be as easy as it looks. Can it? Can it? Yeah. Here can, modal verb, but in the negative form, and so when we have tag question, we put it can it, positive. Number 6, they didn't answer the question. Did they? What we did here? Only we have the positive form of didn't, did, and then the subject. Did they? Here are let's go for a picnic. Shall we? Shall we? This is an extension. This is not normal. Let's go for a picnic. Sentences with let's, the tag question will be shall we or shall I? Shall we or close the door for me. Will you or won't you? Both are true. If you put as a tag question will you or won't you, both are true. What we noticed here, what is the grammar rule here? Let's see. When the main sentence is positive, the tag is usually negative, and when the main sentence is negative, the tag is usually positive, as we see or as we saw before. When the main verb is do, have, or be, or the modals, we repeat this in the tag. With other verbs, as ordinary verb, as I explained just before seconds, we use do, does, or did. Okay? You have here an activity. Use tag questions for these statements. They can do it. Or what will the tag question be? Good. Number 2, she buys what she needs only. Put here a tag question. She has traveled since June. He caused many problems to his family. The tag question will be, yeah, we aren't in the right place. Are we? Good. Are we? You shouldn't leave now. Let's answer the question. Yeah, the statements with let's. The question tag or the tag question will be what? Bring my glasses. Bring my glasses. That's all for today. I hope that our lesson was very interesting. Thank you very much for listening to me. I hope to see you again. Thank you very much. Was with you teacher Farhuda Firwana. I love you and you love English.